Managing diabetes often means making smart choices about what you eat, and when it comes to snacking, nuts stand out as one of the most beneficial options. Not only are they delicious and satisfying, but nuts also bring a wealth of nutritional benefits that can help support healthy blood sugar levels. Today, we'll explore the top 3 best nuts every diabetic should consider incorporating into their diet, and why these crunchy powerhouses make such an excellent addition to your diabetes management plan. First on the list is almonds. These little nuts pack a mighty punch when it comes to controlling blood sugar. Almonds are rich in magnesium, a mineral closely linked to improved insulin sensitivity. In fact, many people with type 2 diabetes have been shown to have lower levels of magnesium, and increasing this vital nutrient can play a role in enhancing the body's ability to manage blood sugar. Almonds are also low in carbohydrates and high in healthy monounsaturated fats, which means they can satisfy hunger without causing spikes in blood glucose. What's more, their fiber content helps slow the release of sugars into the bloodstream, resulting in steadier energy levels throughout the day. Snacking on a small handful of raw or dry roasted almonds, or adding them to salads, yogurt, or oatmeal, is an easy and enjoyable way to help lower blood sugar and curb cravings. Next up are walnuts, another superfood nut that's ideal for people living with diabetes. Walnuts are celebrated for their high content of omega-3 fatty acids, heart-healthy fats that combat inflammation and support cardiovascular health, a critical consideration for anyone managing diabetes. Studies have indicated that regular walnut consumption may improve insulin response and decrease fasting insulin levels, both vital components for effective blood sugar management. Walnuts are also rich in antioxidants and provide a satisfying, satiating snack that can help you avoid reaching for less healthy, sugary options. Sprinkle walnuts into your morning cereal or blend them into smoothies for extra creaminess and flavor. Their uniquely rich taste and buttery texture make them a perfect addition to both sweet and savory dishes, helping add both nourishment and enjoyment to your meals. Rounding out the top 3 nuts for diabetes are pistachios. These vibrant green nuts are not just a tasty treat, they're also brimming with key nutrients that actively work to balance blood sugar. Pistachios have been shown in research to reduce fasting blood sugar and improve markers of heart health. They contain fiber, protein, and good fats, all of which contribute to a slower absorption of carbohydrates and prevent swift increases in blood glucose after meals. Moreover, the act of shelling pistachios can help slow down your snacking, giving your body more time to register fullness. This mindful eating approach can help prevent overeating and support better portion control. Whether you enjoy them as a standalone snack, toss them into salads, or use crushed pistachios as a crunchy topping for fish or roasted vegetables, you'll benefit from both their flavor and their health-promoting properties. Incorporating these 3 nuts, almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, into your daily routine is not only simple but also delicious. They offer protein, healthy fats, and fiber, all of which aid in blood sugar regulation and prolonged satiety. However, as with any food, portion control is important. Nuts are calorie-dense, so sticking with a small handful, a serving of about 1 ounce, will give you the benefits without adding unnecessary calories. Before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you're taking medications to control diabetes, it's wise to consult your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian. By choosing these nutrient-rich nuts, you can enjoy satisfying snacks that truly support your efforts to lower blood sugar, maintain your energy, and keep your health on track.